Hey guys, this is your friend Riyank, and today we'll be discussing the three stocks which you should watch out for in the coming week. So, without wasting much time, let's go. Please note that the stocks discussed here do not imply an investment advice. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor, and all the views that are shared here are only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any risk. Kindly note that trading and investing involves an element of risk associated with the underlying. Now, before we begin with our today's video, we are going to see and review our last week's performance. Now, the first stock which was discussed last week was Thyrocare Technologies. Thyrocare Technologies went up almost 10.54% from 1238 to 1368. The second stock which was discussed last week was Hindustan Copper. It went down 11% and triggered the stop loss of 150 from the levels of 170. The third stock which was discussed last week was Burger King, and Burger King remained almost unchanged at 0%, neither triggering the stop loss nor the target. Now, with a strict risk management and position sizing, considering a risk of 1% per trade with very strict stop loss, it was a neutral week with no profit, no loss. Now, we'll be discussing the three stocks which you should watch out for in the coming week. So, let's go. Now, the first stock which you should watch out for in the coming week is a company that was founded by Sajid Dhanani in 2006. The first outlet of this company was opened in Mithal City Mall, Bhatinda, Punjab. Yes, you guessed it right. The company's name is Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. Now we'll be going and seeing the chart of Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. So this is a chart of Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. We have limited data with us since this company was listed as recent as April 2021. Looking at the limited data which is available with us, I can see a clean and clear breakout which has happened above 748.75 to 833.70. Now looking at this chart very carefully, I can see a very clean congested breakout which has happened above 878 very recently. Now with a stop loss of 808.50, I think that this stock can go potentially till 1100 and 1150 odd levels in the coming week. So that is the chart of Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. Now, the second stock which you should watch out for in the coming week is a company that was founded in the year 1991. The parent organization of this company is Gitanjali and Trading Investment Private Limited. Now, this company is engaged in the business of manufacturing of rigid plastic packaging products, especially catering to the customers relating to paint, lube, agrochemical, FMCG, personal and healthcare, and home care product, as well as the export market. Yes, you guessed it absolutely right. The company's name is High Tech Corporation Limited. So now let's go and see the chart of High Tech Corporation Limited. Now, this is the chart of High Tech Corporation Limited. We are seeing the monthly charts here. Now, looking at the monthly chart, I am able to observe a clean and clear breakout which has recently happened above 221.60 to 235.70 zone. Looking at the daily chart, I can see that the breakout level has been successfully retested. And on the hourly chart, I am able to see some potential positive momentum build up. Looking at the hourly chart, I think that this stock will give an excellent buy opportunity above 245 with a stop loss of 215 on the downside. On upside, I will look for targets of 300 and 325 post the trade activation. Now, the third stock which you should watch out for in the coming week is a penny stock. Now, penny stocks are basically those stocks which trade below the price value of 20 rupees. These stocks are very risky and involve a high risk element. Now, this company was formerly known as India Bulls Power Limited. Now, this company is a business conglomerate with business interest in power generation, cement, and mining. This company is also developing a 5400 megawatt of coal-based thermal power project in Amravati and Nasik in Maharashtra. Yes, you guessed it absolutely right. The company's name is Ratan India Power Limited. So now we'll be going and seeing the charts of Ratan India Power Limited. Now, this is the chart of Ratan India Power Limited. Looking at the monthly chart, I can see a trend line breakout which has happened recently in the month of June 2021. Now, looking at the stop loss on the downside, which is coming somewhere around 1.8, I think that this stock can potentially double or triple from here. Now, the targets on the upside, which will potentially come around 15-20, I won't be surprised if this stock goes even till 50 rupees from current levels. A protective stop loss on the downside for 180 is very, very important since it is a penny stock. So it will involve a very high risk element. So these were the three stocks which you should watch out for in the coming week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more upcoming content. I hope all of you have a profitable week ahead. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed. Thank you.